My favorite tool of all time is the DeWalt 8-volt gyroscopic screwdriver. It is less than $100 and the perfect tool for many household projects.
Simply press the button and turn your hand left or right, and the bit will follow. I use this screwdriver a ton when assembling simple, bolt-together furniture. Here I am at 5 times speed, using the provided Allen wrench. One bolt takes about 30 seconds. Now, at normal speed, the gyroscopic screwdriver can do it in under 5 seconds. It is also a great tool for tight spaces, like under this sink. This job would be very frustrating using a traditional screwdriver, and almost impossible with a full-size drill. I use it all the time for removing and reinstalling outlet faceplates. Thanks for watching. Check out the kit.co link in my bio for a direct link to my favorite tool.